Alright, I'm still in Pennsylvania, but you can see the snow. It's 28 degrees, and I'm in snow.
On
December
November
9th. I think it's
9th.
9th. So, it's very cool. Okay, I'm downtown Cincinnati now, and going into my room. It's 401. Pretty cool building. And this is the room I'm staying in. Hello. Pretty awesome. Yeah. Everybody take a look at it. And pretty good views. Not too far from downtown, I guess. We'll see. But stocked, ready to go. 2 bathrooms, which, you know, I don't need. But pretty cool. Dryer, bedroom. Real nice. Very nice. Very impressed. Very impressed. Very impressed. Yep. High ceilings. I'll be walking around, checking out the downtown area. Okay, that's the room, that's the building, and we'll get some sights and sounds of downtown Cincinnati. All right. St. Pius Catholic Church. It's so weird when you remember things. I could have sworn this church was on the other side over there, but I guess not. I mean, they couldn't have moved it. So strange. I think we're coming up to the high school here. Get over. It's on the left. Yep, there it is. Oh my goodness. No, Dixie Heights. Dixie Heights. I don't know why I said Boone. It's Dixie Heights High School. Oh my gosh. I even forgot the school's name. But yeah, big rival with every sport that we had in our high school. All right, taking a right. Yeah, Dixie Heights. Yeah, that's funny. I am in Florence, Kentucky on Mall Road. This is where I ran a restaurant called Lone Star, and it was right over there. I'll get out in a second. Snow on the ground, right? So now it's a Mall Road Treasures. So they tore it down. I mean, this is 1998, 99. So long ago. This whole area, I can't even... Oh my goodness, okay. So, Summit Hills Country Club, where I played golf when I was a youngster. Oh my gosh, I remember the gas station here. And this was the main drag that we would take all the time to get to where I used to live. So, oh my gosh, this is great. Yeah, city of Edgewood. Summit Hills. Love the course. Actually, a professional golfer, Steve Flesh, was a friend of mine when I was growing up. He played here all the time before he went pro and made a ton of money. Then I had a few friends that lived in these big houses here. Forget their names. I think he lived there. Or at the end here, I think. Yeah, in the White House. Yeah, a good friend of mine when I was growing up lived in the White House right here. It's nice. This is just a beautiful area. I mean, it's probably now it's $1 million homes easy everywhere. We're coming up to St. Pius, my elementary school. think it's right here. Yeah. And we have the baseball fields down below, which I will go to here soon. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. My old elementary school, and there it is right there. The big glass we used to call the fish bowl right there. We'd have to go there and sit when we got in trouble. What did they do with the church? I guess they got rid of the church. That's bizarre. Yeah, there's no church anymore. That's a trip. Huh. That's crazy. This is the back of the school where we had a playground. Everybody used to come and play kickball and all that kind of good stuff. So that was fun. And then just down there were the baseball fields that we played baseball. Alright, now we're coming up actually to Scott and Robbie Durick here, who I'm seeing Scott tonight, and Greg Shepard. They lived right next to each other. So, I mean, none of this was, these houses were here, back here, but oh my goodness, they still have the basketball hoop. It's a trip. Oh my goodness. Yeah. This is their house. Oh my goodness. And that's Greg Shepard's old house right there. So, oh my gosh, we spent so much time here. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I think his mom still lives here. Yeah, cool basement. Great house. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. We're going to get down here to Mr. and Mrs. Shepard's house. It's right here. This one there. That was CJ's grandma's house. Oh yeah, I remember that house. My goodness, I babysat a house down there. Oh, well, that's going down to Brookwood Country Club, which we'll do. Oh my goodness. Now we're coming up to Andy and Marion, which is the LaChavo's old house. Oh my gosh. And this is the house that Lisa and I collided on our bikes coming down both sides. That was hilarious. Is this it? This is it right here. Yeah. This is the old LaChavo house. Yeah. Wow. Crazy. Yep. Got the big pool in the backyard. The little art studio there. Good friends here. Forget their names too. Yeah, here's the Shepherd's house. CJ and Marty and Suzanne, all the Shepherds. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Wow. See if it still has the basketball hoop. Nope. And that just goes right down to our old house. Wow. I gotta get out. Yeah, the Shepherd's house. Wow, that's crazy, right? How many days and weeks and just did I stay at this house? Crazy. It's so neat to see. It looks different now. But there were 10 of them in there, Shepherds. Wow, it's crazy. this thing. My goodness. I remember the hospital that came in. Huge hospital here. St. Elizabeth, yeah. I remember that. And then this gas station up here. There's a school or a football field down here. There was. Oh, Hinsdale. Oh my goodness, they're redoing Hinsdale. Yeah, Hinsdale. Oh my goodness, I remember Hinsdale. Okay, so there's no gas station anymore. They're redoing Hinsdale. I remember that school. I think I even went there for a little while. W Village. Yeah, they're redoing that whole school.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Brookwood Drive.
Brookwood Drive, ladies and gentlemen. My goodness gracious. The corner store, I'm sure, is way gone. There used to be a park here, not a park here anymore. So now, here's the corner store. I'm going to pull in here.
Turn right onto Brookwood Drive.
So, right here used to be an auto mechanic store that screwed up my car, which blew the engine. So that's not here anymore. And this used to be the corner store where we always came and got all our stuff where I worked, and for the longest time, I can't remember his name. I'm sure it'll come to me. But yeah, we used to walk up here all the time. This was here, but it wasn't that. But now it's a huge pizza place. That's nuts. Wow. And this is, oh my gosh, that is all built up all back there. This used to be just fields. So Thomas More goes all the way through to the college, but we'll come back that way. But we're gonna go Brookwood Drive here. Yeah, that's a corner store. My goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, crazy.
Turn left onto Willowbrook Lane.
Wow. How many times did I walk up and drive up this road? My goodness gracious. Long videos, everybody, long videos. Brookwood Circle, of course. Oh my goodness. And these houses have probably been re-sided and done up a little bit, but all right, I am headed now to the Brookwood Country Club, where we spent a lot of time, a lot of summers. Tennis, swimming. It's a place to be. I actually babysat the house there one time and had a big party. All right, oh my goodness, yes. Many a time did we walk this hill. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. But we would always cut through. There was always a path that was, we'd walk up to Shepherd's house and then kind of cut through. See if I can remember some of these. I don't remember that house. Boy, that's an oldie. Hopefully I can get through here. I'll be a little upset if I can't. Okay, there we go. How much that house is for. Goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. There it is. Oh my gosh. Definitely, wow, it's a weird house to be next to this, I guess. I don't know. This used to be a basketball court up here. They tore that down, I see. I won't go too far. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I guess Maybe they drain it for the... Oh, here's the country club. Oh my goodness. I guess they drain it out for the winter. Oh gosh, this place has gone to hell. They got rid of the tennis courts. Yeah, now there's just a basketball. This is rough. Oh my gosh. Yeah, no more tennis courts. What a dump. It really is a dump now. Oh my gosh. Alright, now heading to Brookwood Circle to Locust Hollow. Locust Hollow. Oh my goodness, I've been here forever. Here it is. Oh my goodness gracious. Heading down the hill. Oh my God. I think that was Pete Arnold. I can't remember the names here, but friends here, friends here. Friends here, Jeff. The basketball hoops probably since we were kids. Oh my goodness. Friends here. That was a newer house before, but here it is. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Can you imagine? Oh my God. Here she is. Wow. Oh my God, the old mailbox. And this is the creek that we used to go down all the time. We'd walk down to the creek, go all the way down, all the way down. I'm honest to God, I think it's the same mailbox. Yeah. It's the same mailbox. My goodness. Erpenbecks live back there. Probably still there. That is the same mailbox. Isn't that crazy? Same mailbox from the 70s. That's bizarre, right? That's just bonkers. There it is. I used to play my drums in that room. And then my mom's room was there. We were in the back. Big basement, huge basement. This is it. I mean, it's gorgeous, isn't it? I mean, we were just down here by ourselves. And like I said, the Erpenbecks have this huge ass house all the way up there, which was awesome. That's pretty cool decorations. Brookwood sign. There's a Brookwood sign, and I know I'm probably not supposed to be here, but this is the pool. No, yeah. My gosh. Everybody remember this? Walk down the pool. I don't know if I can see the diving boards. Here's the cafeteria there where we got all our food and stuff. I think I broke into there a couple times to get food. That's funny. Wow. Guess this place is open during the summer. And it's definitely gone downhill. But, oh my gosh. Very cool though. Big pool. Alright, now we're getting into old high school territory. Covcath is on the left. Notre Dame is on the right, up on the hill. That's the girls' school. This is the boys' school. So I should be able to get a quick glimpse. Yes, Notre Dame Academy. That's where Lisa went, my sister. And then I went here. Oh my goodness. Wow. So cool. Yeah, I'm 2.5 years here and 1.5 years at Scott High School. Dennis Griffin, I think he was the football coach that died really young. I remember that. So cool. Played many a soccer games in the big stadium there. Let's see if I can get down to the school here. Oh yeah, well everybody's getting out of school now, so probably not a great time to do the school thing. Yeah, everybody's leaving, so. All right. All right, there's the high school. Wow. Some memories there. Very cool. Big school, big Catholic school. All right, I am downtown Hyde Park. I've been down here forever. Graders is down that way to my left, and then I'm gonna start walking up towards my own stomping grounds. I think this is where I lived here, so we'll see if I can remember. And I think Mooney Avenue is down this way as well, St. Charles Place. So, all right, we'll see. All right, everybody. All right, Mooney Avenue. Oh my goodness. Let's see if I can remember the house Dad lived in. Beautiful street, right? Oh my gosh, it's been so long. I mean, I don't even know. I know it's up this path somewhere. Some of these look the same. I don't know. I'm gonna just take a guess and see if I'm right, and Dad can watch the video and see how close I was. I would say it's got to be one of these 3 or 4. This one. This one. Or this one. I don't think it's any further up. I could be wrong. Could be wrong, but I'll go with those choices. So, Dad, was I right or wrong? All right. And more, you got the engine company rescue. Been there a long time. Okay, this is it. So I was definitely wrong. 3508. It's closer to the road than I thought. I actually took a picture of this because I thought it was cute. But as I look at it, yeah, that's about right. That's great. Yeah, that's one of the houses. So I was wrong, but I did take a picture of it because I thought it was a cute house. Great house. Okay, all right, everybody. All right, a little bit more downtown here, Hyde Park, some shops. Don't want to move my head too much here.
This is St. Mary's Church.
Right here's St. Charles Place. My Aunt Joan lived up this road. It was a really nice street. I think at the time it was a dead end. Oh yeah, no outlet, same thing. That's good. St. Mary's Church. Definitely a staple to the Hyde Park area. Just a beautiful, beautiful church. I'm going to see if I can get in. Probably not, but I will try. I definitely will try. Well, I made it in, so I will stay here as long as somebody kicks me out. Wow. I don't know if I'm not mistaken, but I think Tim got married here, right? Because I know I sang up in the choir for somebody. Somebody will have to help me. Wow, this is incredible. I hope this comes out. I think I sang longer here for Tim's wedding. We'll have to figure that out. Dan Fogelberg. So great. Okay, I found Graders. Finally. I think I passed it twice. That was on this side. There we go. Graders ice cream. I'm going to go in and get one scoop. There we go. All right, I got a scoop of the chocolate chip here in Graders. So I'm going to eat inside. This is a little tour of the shop here. He says it's been here for 105 years, 5 generations. Family heritage there, 1922. Okay, yeah. 1870. That's when it started. Lewis Grader. Fantastic. Okay. I got to give a little taste test review here. I mean, it is. It's like the best ice cream ever. I mean, it's just incredible. As I would say, 10 out of 10, guys. Unbelievable. Thick. I mean, unbelievable. All right. All right, I am at Alt Park here, and yes, kind of the Hyde Park area. Used to come here all the time. It's a beautiful park, so I'll give some snapshots here in a few minutes. Kind of a big overlook here. Back in the day, all this worked with the fountains, the steps. All right, let's head on up there. Let's go through. See what we got here. Probably have a ton of weddings here, right? Let's head on up. Beautiful. I guess this is called the Heacon Overlook. And we'll see what we're gonna overlook. I'll go down there in a second. Not too bad. I am now at the Cincinnati Bengals Stadium, Paycor Stadium. Checking it out. Bunch of shops down here. Pretty cool stadium. That is the suspension bridge from Cincinnati to Kentucky. I'm gonna walk on it. And on the other side is the Red Stadium, which I'll get a little closer to. This is kind of the entryway to the Red Stadium. With all the shops and stuff here, kind of cool. My guy Johnny Bench, 75-76, Big Red Machine, awesome. Some of the old uniforms there, Hall of Fame, Tuesday through Sunday, very cool. There it is. Big Red Machine. Great stadium. Great stadium. They got Pete Rose, a monument here, sliding into home. Pretty awesome. And I'm thinking this is probably Joe Morgan. Yep. There's Joe. Alright, heading up to the suspension bridge. I don't know where the heck I'm going. Let's see. Wow. Ohio River. Alright, let's walk it. Everybody can hear it humming. There's a football stadium. Definitely see it better here. See more into the stadium. See if I can zoom in a little better. I am almost at the end.
Just a few more pictures of downtown, Fountain Square, a couple of the stadiums with me in it, and the suspension bridge. Hope you enjoyed it.